Jezero is silent again, but something below remains unresolved.
AURA-7, a survey drone, is sent to investigate the opening.
It moves in carefully, guided by real-time geology and hazard data.
The shaft drops steeply, deeper than surface scans first suggested. Aura-7 switches to cavern mode, expanding its light and sensor range.
It descends slowly, mapping every fracture and mineral seam in real time.
Layered sediments confirm Jezero's past as a long-lived Martian lake. Crystalline veins cut through the rock, formed by ancient mineral-rich fluids. A side passage appears, likely a lava tube or collapsed aquifer channel. It chooses the side tunnel, where subsurface water once flowed or pooled. The ceiling curves smoothly, consistent with lava tube structures seen from orbit. Larger crystal clusters emerge, grown where mineral-rich fluids once cooled slowly. Aura-7 spots briny moisture, thin films clinging to porous rock. Sensors register a subtle heat anomaly ahead, just a few degrees warmer. Then, an isolated metallic echo in a place with no machinery. Aura-7 locks onto the sound, narrowing its acoustic triangulation. Something shifts at the edge of its light, then vanishes again.
Even its own rotors trigger eerie crystal vibrations along the cave walls.
One path is dry and narrow, the other warmer and damp.
Aura-7 follows the moisture, the best chance for past or present life. The floor dips, forming a natural ramp deeper into the Martian crust.
A low-lying fog forms, a delicate mix of vapor and ice crystals.
Some crystals emit faint afterglow, possibly from trapped radiation or exotic chemistry.
The second echo is closer, followed by the whisper of falling stones. A single trail slices the dust, continuous, smooth, and disturbingly fresh.
Its lights follow the mark, each meter raising more questions than answers.
Then, the passage opens into a colossal crystal chamber beneath Jezero. Aura-7 navigates a forest of mineral spires, each older than human history. One shattered column suggests an impact, or something pushing violently through.
Repeating impacts now, 3 strikes, each nearer than the last.
The crystals respond in chorus, humming with low, uneasy resonance. On one pillar, parallel scratches appear, too regular for natural fracture. In the distance, a vague shadow slips between columns, then disappears.
Aura-7 boosts recording priority, shifting into high-stability capture mode. Shallow, oval depressions form a rough arc. No clear source, no clear pattern. The marks overlap slightly, as if something passed here more than once.
A gentle Marsquake ripples through the cave, shaking crystals and stone alike. An ancient fracture emerges, its edges worn smooth by time.
Warm vapor rises from the crack, hinting at hidden cavities below.
A sudden collapse erupts beside it, timed too perfectly to be random. Once more, a shifting darkness slips silently behind the mineral towers.
Aura 7 enhances acoustic sensitivity, filtering out its own rotor hum.
A slow scraping begins, metal against stone, steady and precise.
It enters a tight crystal corridor, where echoes grow sharper and closer.
Deep, parallel grooves scar the wall.
A second vast chamber opens, warmer, stranger, and unnervingly alive.
A towering crystal vibrates intensely, as if reacting to the drone's presence.
Beneath the dust, the ground swells subtly. Something below just shifted.
A warm breath of air sweeps past, from no visible source.
The drone ascends to gain perspective, scanning the floor for movement.
Heat signatures drift below, warm streams moving beneath solid stone.
A sudden vent erupts upward, thermal pressure breaking through. The eruption leaves a new opening, dropping sharply underground.
Aura 7 circles cautiously, scanning depth and airflow within the vent.
With no other path forward, Aura 7 descends into the vent.
The central basin is smooth, shaped by something moving repeatedly. Heat pulses rise from the pit, steady, rhythmic, unmistakable.
The drone ascends, seeking safety and vantage from above.
Countless overlapping tracks circle the pit, none shaped like any known tool. Something rises briefly beneath the mist, then sinks without trace.
Heat spikes violently. Pressure rises beneath the basin floor.
A sudden updraft slams the drone, forcing emergency stabilization.
A tall silhouette appears briefly, motionless, impossibly straight.
The heat collapses suddenly, pressure falling to near zero.
The cavern freezes, every motion stopping, as if time itself inhaled earth.
The silhouette is gone. Nothing but fractured reflections overhead.
A new fissure opens quietly behind it, leading even further down. The deeper passage beckons, its air currents pulling the mist inside.
Whatever lies beyond is older than the cave itself. To be continued.